each and every person you meet on a daily in your reality, not on chats, not on the phone. I'm talking about in your physical proximity. You can touch them physically, you can see them, they are in your present tense. Those people are the only ones that can hold your frequency. Any person on WhatsApp or on the phone or you see on the TV, those are fancy. This is narrative. It has no reality. It exists only because you are responding to the images on the TV. But if you leave the TV, it disappears. It's not there. This is the magic of your consciousness. Only the people you physically interact with are the ones really in your reality. And this is how perception is hijacked by intelligences that is way far advanced. And if you do not increase your vitality, the control is going to become more intense because the ghost in the machine is waking up. But we'll get to the algorithm. What you experience external to you, your everyday life, the traffic, the atmosphere, the temperature, the strangers, the cars, this is a projection from within you. It is not an external reality. It is a projection from within your own consciousness. You are interacting with your mind. And if you continuously interact, it means you are caught. You are echoing within that linear time loop the whole time. Every day you do the same thing. If you work at a place where there's maybe 50 people and you only see 3 every day, it is only those 3 that really exist in your reality, that are capable of holding the same frequency as you. When your frequency increases, other people within the company will become more visible in your proximity, in your direct reality. You can work in a building with 50 people and you only encounter the same 5 people daily. Maybe there's 3, but it's always the same 5 people until you increase your frequency. Then the others will come. Sometimes the others come depending on your state, on your vibration. When you have a different mood, when you are positive one day, then you come into contact with others. But the frequency you emit determines who comes into your proximity. Each and every person on your chats, on the TV, on the phone. This is fanciful thought. This is congestion. This is narratives. The people in your reality is real. When you look away from anything, it disappears. Only that which is really in front of you is that which you are projecting outwards. Reality starts taking shape as you encounter it. There is no other towns unless you get there and your mind creates it. There is collective consensus reality where every person's projection intersects and it creates a sort of 3D hallucination where it looks like 3D reality. And it looks real. It looks real because you can feel, because you can interact.